Time is precious. We all want more time. Life gets busy, work, family, and personal goals. It's a lot to juggle. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. We wonder where the day went. Many people struggle with time management. We search for solutions. Books, articles, and apps promise help. But the answer might be simpler than we think. Small changes can make a big difference. By adopting new habits, we can unlock hidden time. Let's explore some secrets to boost your productivity. Planning seems basic, but it's powerful. A little planning saves a lot of time. Start with a to-do list. Write down everything you need to do. Prioritize your tasks. What's most important? Do those first. Break down large tasks. Smaller steps feel less overwhelming. Schedule time for each task. This creates structure and accountability. Batching is grouping similar tasks together. It streamlines your workflow. Instead of switching between different activities, focus on one type at a time. For example, check emails all at once. Respond to messages in batches. This prevents constant distractions. Batch your errands too. Group grocery shopping, picking up dry cleaning and other tasks. Saying no can be hard, but it's important. Learn to decline requests that drain your time. Focus on your priorities. Saying no frees up your schedule. It allows you to say yes to what matters most. When you say no, be polite but firm. Explain that you're committed to other tasks. Offer alternative solutions if possible. Remember, your time is valuable. Protect it wisely. Start implementing these time-saving secrets today. Small changes lead to big results. You got this.